So welcome back children once again to our book. So we are doing unit first and we are doing the questions with the helping verbs and the question words in the present tense, right? So let's see, there is an exercise here 2.4 and here we have to write the question, right? Write the questions, read the answers first. So according to the answers we have to write the question, right? Here in the bracket they have written name, means you have to ask name. And the answer is Paul. So what's your name? Paul. Married or single? Are you married? What will be our answer? Are you married? See children, I don't think you need these answers because they are already given at the back. Next, American. No, I am an Australian. So, are you an American? Are you an American? Why I have written are again? Because it is you. How old? Means, how old are you? Very common sentence. How old are you? A teacher. No, I am a lawyer. Are you a teacher? Again, are you a teacher? मैंने R से क्यों start किया अपना question? Because answer is starting with no. तो helping verbs से जब क्वेश्चन बनता है तो उसका आंसर yes या no से स्टार्ट होता है. आई एम रिपीटिंग, जब हेल्पिंग वर्ब से हम कोई भी क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करते हैं, प्रेजेंट टेंस हो, पास्ट टेंस हो या फ्यूचर टेंस हो, उसका आंसर हमेशा yes या no से स्टार्ट होता है. ओके, वाइफ अ लॉयर. नो, शी इज अ डिजाइनर. अगेन आंसर इज इन नो. सो वील स्टार्ट विद द हेल्पिंग वर्ब. Is your wife a lawyer? From, she's Italian. Now the answer is not starting with yes or no, means we have to start this question with the question word. Okay, where is she from? कहाँ से है? कहाँ? Where? Where is she from? Her name, Anna, means no, yes, no answer में कोई yes, no नहीं है. Means we have to start the question with the question word. What is her name? What is her name? Next, how old? She is 27. Now they have given the question word themselves. Okay, how old is she? So look carefully. जहाँ जहाँ yes no से start हो रहा है answer, we have used a helping verb. हमारा question helping verb से start हुआ है. Okay. Otherwise we have used the question words. Okay. वहाँ पे देखो Paul not starting with the yes no, we have used a question word. Second also, and likewise. Okay children, so now let's move to the next exercise. Write short answers. Yes, I am. No, he isn't, etc. Are you married? No, I am not. Are you thirsty? Depends. If you are thirsty, you can write yes, I am. Yeah, no, I am not. Is it cold today? Depends on the weather. You can write yes, it is cold today, or no, it is not. Are your hands cold? Depends. Yes, they are. Why they? Because hands are plural. Or no, they are not. Or they aren't. Is it dark now? Depends. If it is dark, you can write yes, it is. If it is not, no, it isn't. It is not. So you can make short by using contractions. Are you a teacher? You are not a teacher. So, no, I am not. Got it? Now we come to the next unit, that is unit 3. I am doing. Doing means it is present continuous tense. Right? What do we do in present continuous tense? We write subject plus helping verb plus first form of the verb, or we can say V1 form, plus ing. This ing is used only and only in continuous tense, whether it is present, past or future. कोई सा भी हो, लेकिन उसका continuous form ing लगाकर ही बनता है. Just remember. Where do we use continuous form? We use continuous form when the work is going on. जब कोई काम चल रहा है, या चल रहा था, या चल रहा होगा. Got it? So in that sense we use continuous form. And to make a continuous form, we need to put ing. And when we are putting ing, we always take the verb's first form. भले वो present tense हो, past tense हो, या future tense हो. फर्क कहाँ आता है? If it is present tense, our helping verb will be of present tense, like is, am or are. If it is past tense, then we will use was or were. If it is future tense, we will use will be or shall be. For an example, let's take he. He is, what verb do you want to take? Play, your favorite verb. He is playing. In past, he was playing. In future, he will be playing. Okay? This is with singular. Now let us take with plural. They. They are playing. They were playing. They will be playing. But present and past, they have the verbs according to the number. Means present में और past में singular plural के according helping verbs होती हैं. But in future, we don't have the helping verb according to singular plural, बल्कि I और we के साथ we use shall. और बाकी के सारे subjects के साथ we use will. Okay? So in future, the rule of helping verb is little different. And you have done all these. That is why I am moving quickly. Okay? Because we have many other things also to discuss. Now, let's move to the exercise, right? See, the same thing they have given here. So, you can just go through them and we will directly move to the exercise. Yes, here the exercise 3.1 is given. What are these people doing? Use these verbs to complete the sentences. First, she is eating an apple, right? Second, what is he doing? Waiting. So he is waiting. They, what are they doing? Sorry, he is waiting. They are playing. With he is singular, we have used singular helping verb. They is a plural, we have taken a plural helping verb. But the main verb is always in verb's first form, that is the base form, plus ing. Okay? It is showing that this work is still going on. चल रहा है. ठीक है? Fourth, dash on the floor. Now, who is on the floor? You can write the man is sleeping on the floor, or he is sleeping on the floor. If you want, you can give him a name also. Mohit is sleeping on the floor. It depends on you. Okay? So, let's write the man is sleeping. Sorry, it's not the verb sleeping, it is lying. So the word is L-I-E, but when we are using in ing form, the spelling changes into L-Y-I-N-G. Okay? Fifth, dash breakfast. Who is having the breakfast? The family is having the breakfast, right? So, eat or have? Eat or have? What verb should we use? Have. Or you can write eat also. Okay? So, the family is having breakfast. Sixth, dash on the table. Who is sitting on the table? She, or you can give her a name. You can say a girl, whatever you want. Okay? So we can give her a name. Neera is sitting on the table. Got it, children? So this is how we make sentences. It is the easiest form of framing sentences, and nothing new for you all. It is in your habit, because in school you used to speak English, and in English you used these type of sentences the most, right now? So let's move to the next. Complete the sentences. Use one of these verbs. Okay? Please be quiet. I am working. Where's John? He's in the kitchen. What is he doing? He is cooking. Right? He is singular, so we have used singular verb. Singular helping verb. You dash on my foot. Oh, I am sorry. You have stood. You are. अब हमें कौन सी टेंस लेनी है? Present continuous. So standing. You are standing on my foot. Look, somebody dash in the river. Somebody. What can we do in a river? Can we swim? Yes, we can if you have the practice. Somebody is swimming. Now, when we are making the continuous tense of swimming, we will use double M. We are here on holiday. We dash at the Central Hotel. Stay. Stay means rehna. So we are staying at the Central Hotel. Where's Anne? She is dash a shower. Shower means to take bath. She is having a shower. She is having a shower. Seventh, they dash a new theatre in the city center at the moment. They are building. They are building. Okay? Eighth, I dash now. Goodbye. I am going now. Goodbye. And same children, I am also going now. It's time for the video to be over. So we will meet again in the next video, and I want you to practice these and do the given homework in time. Okay? Thank you.